What's up, guys? Nick on the grind, back with another video. I just want to get something off my chest real quick. Nobody's really subscribing to my channel, and I think I know why. I ain't rich. I don't have deep pockets. My videos show what the average American does out here. Bust their butt out here to earn $1 to put food on the table, to pay the bills. You know, I don't have a pocket full of cash and can go buy a Lamborghini every other week, or pay $5,000 to get my vehicles wrapped every week. I can't do that. I can't put 30-inch wheels on my vehicles every month. Man, we doing what we can to make $1, to pay the bills, to feed the kids, just to live every day. So I know y'all used to content where you go into the dealer and buying a new car, new truck every week, or, you know, putting fancy wheels on it. Man, if I had that kind of money, I would. I'd give y'all that kind of content, but I can't. Can't do it. Just showing y'all what I do on a daily basis, what the average American does out here. Work hard to make their $1. I can't just depend on YouTube. My channel probably will never get monetized to make money. I got like 160 subscribers, and heck, they dropping. I'll gain 3 and lose 5. 4 more people will subscribe and 5 will drop. But you know, it is what it is. I just wanted to show y'all what it is, what my life is like, and what it's like to get out there, you know, and bust your butt every week to make $1. You don't see me on the roof throwing boards or screwing tin, but I have a reason. I only have 28% lung function. I need a double lung transplant. Something I was born with. It's a genetic disease called alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. It's genetics. My kids have it too. So without a lung transplant, that's all you're gonna see me do is walk around, maybe hold a phone. I just can't do it. My wife has been our rock. Before I got too sick to where I couldn't get up there on the roof and throw boards, when I could still do it, I got my wife there with me, because I knew that it was going to come one day. So I taught her how to screw tin. I taught her just about everything I know about these pole barn kids. I've been doing it for 18 years. You know, she's been right there with me. But I just wanted to let y'all know that don't expect me spending a lot of money on my channel, because it ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna give y'all real life content, what I can do. With that being said, let's get to the pole barn. What y'all doing up there, Daddy Rabbit? Little Terry?
No.
Mama Bear? Are y'all mad at me?
What's happening?
What's happening,
So some videos. For my 150 subscribers. The video I shot yesterday got 2 views.
You hang right here.
Hey, my kids won't even go view them for me.
Wow.
Crazy.
Don't talk like that.
Kids won't even go look at my videos.
Whatever. Yeah, they do.
You'll like them. Hey, I got 5 kids at home. They can give me 5 likes right there.
Don't be talking like that. They will. Crazy like that.
I need a 12. You talking about yesterday's video where you and all this?
Yeah, it would. 7 minutes long.
Yeah.
You got Start here, you're going to have to go to the top. Get this top right now. Work out, babe.
Me too. We'd already be done.
Oh, see it. No. No, they do it. They do it.
No, I'm talking about like we used to.
I like the way you talk.
That bitch was heavy. It's like a bicycle, isn't it?
Oh, was you watching last night live?
Yeah.
You know, Nick, I said Casey watched that last night.
What?
Live?
Right.
Yeah.
Step Brothers. Step Brothers is one of my favorite.
Oh yeah, I like Step Brothers too.
Lord, they were crazy.
Did you touch my John?
Did you touch my John? No, I didn't touch it.
Because I know you touched it, but the left drumstick got a chip in it. I don't know how you tell the left and right drumstick.
I never thought about that. I never thought.
Brought it right in.
I thought you should have been one of them, not the left or the right. Come on. No, I thought that was the right drumstick. I was playing it when he was in my right hand.
I can put his nut on the drums, didn't you? You ain't never seen this cup?
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
watch
You
that.
need to watch that. Ain't you got it where he can watch it?
Yeah, I own it. I mean, I bought it.
You need to watch it.
Get in line. The 40-year-old stepbrothers still live at home.
Yeah. Boats and hoes.
Jacob, Daddy set him up for a job interview. He's sitting there talking to the guy about a job. One of them started farting for about 15 minutes. He's like, you just fart? He's like, no, he's like, say, ketchup and onion. You gotta watch it, man. Say, ketchup and onion. Yeah. Throw that board, boy. Oxygen tank just in case. Just in case. We out here grinding. Well, they are. They out here grinding. I'm grinding on this camera. What is it?
I got to move over to see if he can help me a little bit.
She can with that board. You can stick that board in that truss and these angle irons will move like this.
Yep. Alright, you can stop right there and screw it. Now, Lisa, screw that silver sheet. Right here on this side, right?
He could be off center there.
Either side?
That's, no, he ain't got to be dead center. That's the end of the line down there. He could have cheated his way, son.
I told you that was the wrong way.
Oh, is it? I thought you had it going his way.
No, I said they'll come in through you.
Yours has got to be center because you got another board coming this way. His is the end of the line. Create that gap. Oh, Bitsy. We got about 36 more boards, and they'll be putting 10 on. Be done with this baby today. 36 by 60. That's how we do it. Oh yeah, I ordered me an iPhone 13 Pro Max and my daughter one this morning. So they'll be here probably Monday. My wife is getting this 12 Pro Max. My channel starts doing better, I'll probably invest in a high quality camera instead of doing all my videos off a cell phone. We'll just have to see. I know your channel don't get rich overnight, or shoot, I got a long way to go just to apply for the YouTube program, partner program, so it's gonna be a while. At this rate, it's gonna be a few years. So just bear with me. I'm gonna try to get y'all some content every day, even if it's just the kids around the house. Or I bought me a bulldog the day before yesterday. I'm gonna get some content of him tomorrow. His name's Yogi Bear. He's pretty, but I don't think he's full-blooded. I think he's mixed. But I'll show y'all my puppy tomorrow. All right, YouTube, I'll get some more content when we start putting the metal on. Peace. All right, guys, don't forget to watch my intro. Watch it all the way through. Listen to my son rapping. He's gonna be a beast.
In my prime, act like a hoe, we gon' lay your ass down. Put one to his head if he step out of line. I'm on the road, gotta stay on that grind. I'm making these bands, but I'm in a bind. Look at my wrist, ain't no wasting no time. Shoot up a boy if he try to say mine. Hop out with that stick, but I shoot with a 9. I seen the 30 got dirty. I had to pick up the piece with a 30. Closing my eye, my vision got blurred. When I see 12, I'm swerving. Up outside, he nervous. We on your block, we lurking. I seen him pick out the curtain. I bust that bitch, leave him hurting. Shots to your head, they certain. I'ma get what I need, I'ma get what I want, and no taking this shit as a joke. Watch how I move, I step for the game, for real, bitch. You can die about the bros they hate when you win and they stay in your mention. But why ain't the fuck do they love when you broke? I came from the trenches, was scraping up pennies. They only gon' tell you what I let them know. I'm on the block like they never seen. I'm at the spot who ahead of me. I gave them a taste of my recipe. My nigga gone, so it's recipes. I'm on the block like they never seen. I'm at the spot who ahead of me. I gave them a taste of my recipe. My nigga gone, so it's recipes. Run up a bag.
All right, YouTube. McMillian and Sons is back at it. Nick on the grind. Putting 10 on. Daddy Rabbit's up there putting 10 on.
Manchester, Georgia.
That's where I was born.
Manchester?
Hell no.
Manchester, Georgia.
My wife up there. Screw master. But Daddy Rabbit, all you know how to do is eat carrots and screw shit up.
And screw shit up. Been screwing shit up a long time. Yeah, she said watch that shit.
Keep going. Oh, come on.
What? A bit where the back second ain't strong enough.
I have, but not D-Walk.
Look at your bag. Look inside of it and see if there's trash in it.
Those cheaper bits I have, but not D-Walk. We grinding. That's how you grind to make $1. Going to buy me 2 Lamborghinis next week. You know the little town, the Dollar General? Pimp it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Come on. Come on. Like and subscribe, man. Coke, Sprite. Hold this hand real quick, Scott, and I'll get you the water. Yeah. Ooh. Yep. First goal is 500 subscribers. If I can get that, a lot better than 150. So don't forget to subscribe, man. Come on. Like and subscribe. You ready? Oh, I ain't rushing y'all. Go ahead, drink your drink. I ain't rushing y'all. Oh yeah, dude. You on a different bit?
Yeah.
I get you one.
I mean, every time I took it again, I told her I'm a busy right back in my own head.
Yours doing good, babe?
Hey, give me a beer.
Babe,
Yeah.
is yours doing good, babe?
Alright, damn, all right.
You got your speed spray on your side? I mean, tape?
Oh.
You got your tape on your side?
Oh.
You put a magnet on in?
Right.
So the new one.
I took it there. I got it down, that screw there. Screw that.
We grinding, boy. We on the grind in Georgia all the time. Looks like we fucked up with the name. Hey. His ain't got no magnet in it. Hey, magnet gone, buddy. No magnet whatsoever. It was broke. No magnet. Hey, there we go, the next one.
Yeah. Broke your name.
Yeah, no magnet at all. Hip hop, hippity to hippity, hip hip hop, you don't stop dropping that damn boogie up down the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to boogie. What? Yeah, boy.
Yeah, I'm in it. I'd rather do the limbo.
You didn't see the love letters Casey been leaving you?
No.
You didn't seen your love letters, Casey?
I seen it down one now.
Oh, yeah.
I've been from one of them dropped half up.
Hell no.
I can down and keep carrying on, carrying on. Go ahead, lady. That only comedian starving like hell. Hell, he's one folks like that.
halfway journey on this side.
You done fucked the new bit up too? Oh, here.
Oh, he got bitch in his blood.
Can't let that shit slide in your hand.
You the one got bitch in your blood, boy, in your pants. Take you off. I need to give you a tampon.
You let that tin slide in your hand, it's gonna cut you every time. Still good? stainless. Hey, what's in that first aid kit? See what's in that first aid kit. Don't let that shit slide in your hand, it won't cut you. Golly. Damn, ladybug tears my ass. Oh. Well, hey, bring some gauze. I got some black tape right here. Here it comes. Nope. There. Crazy word to me like a dog. Woo! There you go. Good. Oh, come on. I need to follow, man. Look at his heel. Hey, yo. Hey. Put that old thing in there with it. Hey, better grab that can out there for the clothes, like. All right, guys. I recorded the last few minutes of us finishing up, so I'll be back in a bit. Peace. I'm back one more again. All right, we got all the tin on the roof. I'll show you in just a second. Now what they're doing is you got a 14-foot board, 2x6, on your end two bays. She's measuring 35 inches to cut it off. That way I don't have to cut not the first piece of tin. So we cut all these 2x6s, 35 inches from the high rib out. So, and then we put a 1x6 treated fascia board on the end. Both ends have to be done the same way. Put our last 4 sheets of tin on, ridge cap, and the turkey will be done. Let me step out here. Show y'all the image of it. Yes, sir. 36x60, beautimous. Nick on the grind, grinding, man. All these guys grind, even my wife. We don't play around, man. We don't play the radio. Ain't nobody better than me, man. Been doing this shit 18 years. I'm the best at it. And I ain't bragging, I ain't a bragger. That damn squeaking ass bailed up there. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Casing's up there marking, hit that N35. So, in like about an hour, we'll be done. I pay my guys real good. They average about 50 bucks an hour. But yeah, there she is, almost done. I'll send y'all one last video whenever we're done, and don't forget to comment, tell me what you think. I know it may be boring to you guys, but this is my life. This is my life, man. It's what I do every day. I love it. Check back for the end video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Peace. Back one more again. See, he's up there cutting them off. 35. Cut that drop pocket off. He's having to cut every single one of them. Y'all don't have to give me no measurement now. You're putting the whole board up there. Then measure the top. Hear me? Casey?
Sorry?
Whole board and then measure the top and put a little brace in between it. That's how you do's it. Nick on the grind. Be back in a little bit, babe. Not babe. Be back in a little bit, guys. Alright, guys, that's it. Here's the last video. She's done.
Wrong door, wrong door, wrong door.
Been another hard day at work. Been grinding all day. I'll post another video tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Nick on the grind out.
In my prime, act like a hoe, we gon' lay your ass down. Put one to his head if he step out of line. I'm on the road, gotta stay on that grind. I'm making these bands, but I'm in a bind. Look at my wrist, ain't no wasting no time. Shoot up a boy if he try to take mine. I bout with that stick, but I shoot with a 9. I seen the dirty, got dirty. I had to pick up the piece with a 30. Closing my eye, my vision got blurred. When I see 12, I'm swerving. Up outside, he nervous. We on your block, we lurking. I seen him pick out the curtain. I bust that bitch, leave him hurting. Shots to your head, they certain. I'ma get what I need, I'ma get what I want, and no taking this shit as a joke. Watch how I move, I step for the game for real. Bitch, you can die about the bros they hate. When you winning, they stay in your mention. But why in the fuck do they love when you broke? I came from the trenches, was scraping up pennies. They only gon' tell you what I let them know. I'm on the block like they never seen. I'm at the spot who ahead of me. I gave them a taste of my recipe. My nigga gone, so it's recipes. I'm on the block like they never seen. I'm at the spot who ahead of me. I gave them a taste of my recipe. My nigga gone, so it's recipes.